Okay, everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So maximum day, how many day this file will available? By default is the 7 day, guys.
7
Okay.
days.
What is that? By default is what? 7 day. We can what? We can customize these days, guy. Okay, don't worry. I will give that property also. I will give that property also. So, but what is the by default? By default availability of this file now, guys, in the server. Come on,
7 days.
give the response, everyone, guys. Be active yourself.
7 days,
7
sir.
days.
By default.
7 days. Okay, so okay, if you want to increase the day, guys, okay, history days, okay. So what is that? What is that? Come here, okay. Come in the property file, okay. Come inside that property file. Okay, take what? Logging, logging dot what? File, logging dot what? File dot what? Max history, right? Max history. Okay, you want to see that what is the maximum day the file will available? Okay, let's see this. What is the date it's showing now? What is the day it's showing now, guys?
7 days.
7.
See this. What is the array? What happening now, guys? Okay, see this, guys. See this. It's visible, guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the default day is showing now, guys?
7
7.
days.
Okay.
Days. 7.
Okay, you can make here 10 also, right? If you want to 10 days, okay, increase that day. Okay, 10. If you put here 10, then this file will available in the server. How many day now, guys? Now this file will available how many
For
day now?
10 days.
For 10 day.
For
Okay.
10 days.
Yeah, like this we can, like this, what we will do it now, we can increase the date, right? We can increase the date. Okay, so fine. Now, guys, let's implement. Okay, let's implement the method in the application. But how we can activate our logging log4j logging activity in our application? How, what is the method, what is the classes we have need to take, guys? Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so here what I'm doing now, I'm taking what? I'm taking what? Private private static final. Okay, so logger log. Okay, equal to what? Logger logger dot what? Logger factory is there, right? Forgetting something. Okay, something wrong import is happened, guys. 1 minute, I have need to check it. Log4j na. Okay, delete this one. Okay, no issue. Take the logger factory. Yeah, slf4j. Okay, logger factory dot what? Get logger. Why it's showing? Is it not there? Something going wrong, guys. 1 minute. Logger factory hibernate. No, slf4j only, right? Logger factory, that is the class itself only. Okay, dot. Why is it not showing now? It's imported, right? 1 minute, 1 minute. Something is problem is going on. Logger factory, why it's not giving, guys? Logger factory. Mhm. Something problem. Why it's not? It should give. We have need to activate without activating. Okay, private static final logger, right? Logger, we have need to take SLF4J logger, right? Okay, this is the interface. Fine. This is the interface. Now take the log as a reference variable. Okay, fine. So logger factory is there, right?
Yes, sir. Logger factory dot get email.
Logger dot, yeah, it's came. Okay, it's my mistake, guys. Okay, so we have need to take what get logger, right? Get logger. Fine. So this is the interface, guys. Logger interface, which is available in what? SLF4J. See this SLF4J. This is the interface. This interface is there in the SLF4J. And what is that? This is the factory method, guys. Okay, this is the factory method. Okay, so what we are doing now here, what we will pass it now, in which class we have need to activate logging activity in the current class itself only. So what we will do now, we will pass this class dot class, guys. Okay, now in this class our logging activity is what? Activated, guys. Okay, our logging activity is activated. Fine now, guys. So okay, fine now. So okay, fine. So here what we will do it now, guys. So here we will take what in the success information we have need to give, right? So come here in the method. This is the okay info label, right? This is from here onward our what? SLF4J is taking our priority method. Priority is started in what? Spring Boot from info onward, guys. Okay, from the info onward. Okay, so fine. What we will take it now. So what is the use of information? Means what? Whenever our control will enter in what? Just I'm implementing logging activity in post method only, guys. Okay, in the post method only I'm implementing, right? So what will happen now? Whenever our what logging activity will enter in what? Post method, right? So here what will happen now, and so where we will implement means what? Info we will implement what? To give the information about this message means what? See this already I said, right? Fine means what? Current status of application. Then what is the status of method? Means successfully till now our control is what? Entering. Means what? Till now our control is entering means successfully. So for that what method we will take? Info we will take. Means what? Till now if the success, if our control is coming inside this method, means what? We will give here itself only info, right? Info. So what is that? Log dot what? Info method, right? Info, take this method, and here what we will pass? Give some messages, guys. Okay, give some messages. What is that? Just I'm writing enter info save message method, right? save method. Okay, fine now guys. Okay, so after then whenever you want to see the like what debug, also debug, what is the purpose? To give the final result, right? To give the final result. So after completing this method, right? So control, after entering in the what, after entering, 1 minute guys, whenever our control is entering inside this method, then in the log file this message will generate guys. Okay, this message will generate. After then what will happen, if successfully means final result, if we are getting, right, if we are final result, then what is the final result? We are getting this data to what, our browser na guys, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So this final result we have need to give in the property file also, sorry, logging file also. So then what we will do it now guys, where we are implementing here, response entity, right? Okay, in this method I'm not implemented, right, exception handling na. Okay, 1 minute
Yes,
guys.
Ravi.
Okay, in this method I did not implement it. Okay, exception. Okay guys, give me 1 minute, just I have need to implement exception exception handling also in this method also, right? We have need, it will take only few minutes. Okay, only few minutes, within the few minutes only we will implement it. Okay, so because without exception, if I exception handling, if I implement, right, then you guys will not get clear picture, so I have need to implement it, right? Or any chance is there,
Ravi, implement and delete methods. There are exception handling code.
Yes, that's correct only, but okay, no issue. What we will do it now. So the same things we did, right? 1 minute. Save all, map, delete, put, right? Put means what, update is happening here, right? Okay, no issue. Let's take, it will take only few seconds guys. Okay, few second, within the few second only we can do it. So this is the save, right? So what I'm doing, just here, try, copy paste, I will do it. Try, catch. Okay, let it be exception. Okay, so here what I'm doing now, copy this one and paste it here. Come here and paste it here, equal to null. Okay, so take this one here, come here, equal to null. Sorry, res, fine.
RES.
Yeah, and take this one as a what, one more here, this one, any internal, this same error, right? Oh sorry, control Z, copy and paste in the catch block. That's it, completed.
We have to take question mark.
E, fine. Okay, so now the thing is good guys. Okay, the thing is good. Oh sorry, yeah, now okay, so okay, now we implemented exception handling case in the save method also, right? In the save method also, fine now guys. So okay, whenever our control entered in what, save method, right? Save method, then what logging method we will take it now guys, come on, log dot what, info, right?
Info.
info. Inside that we will write what? We will show this message, right? We want to show this message in what? Log file, guys. Okay, log file. Okay, so fine, entered into what? Save, entered into save method. Okay, after executing this method logic, right? If final result, what we are getting on the browser final result, this data, right? This data only we are getting, right? JSON data or what? XML data or messages, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so means
Yes, sir.
we are getting this final result on the browser now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, so if we want to what, if we want to what, store final result also in the property file, log property, logging property file, then what is the method now, guys? What is the method now? Just I explained, right? What is the method now? Debug, right?
Debug method.
What is the C? This already I wrote, right? Final success messages. If you want final success message, then what we will take it now? Debug na. Log dot what? Debug. Inside that, what we will take it now, guys? Inside that, what I'm going to do now, just take this body, whatever success messages we are getting on the browser in the property, right? Logging file also we need. Just I'm passing that one. Okay, that message will come in the property file also. Fine. Okay, so okay, fine. Now, guys, so here next one is what? Another method. Let's see the error. Okay, warning I don't want to say. Okay, so because I have need to find search one like what, deprecated file and all those things. So okay, so even in the real time also, you guys will not get the chance to implement the warning. Okay, only till now in the 6 years of experience, right? In the 6.7 in the 6.7 years of experience, right? Just wherever I got the chance to implement logging activity in the project, these two only I used, guys. Okay, these two only. Okay, so fine now, guys. So info and error is there, right? Info and error is there. Fine now, guys. So now, so whenever our, if this method is going to fail, then which block will execute now, guys? Catch block na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
okay, if you want to execute our catch block, means if we want to trace the messages of what? Exception block, right? Exception block. For that, what we will take it now, guys? Log dot what? Error method. Log dot what? Error method, right? In that, just saving is failed. Just write what? Saving is what? Is failed. Saving is what? Failed, guys. Okay, failed. Okay, if you want to see the what is that message also, failed message also, just what? Just failed message also, just what you have to need, what we have need to do it now, guys. Okay.
E dot get message.
E dot get message, right? E dot what? Get message. Fine. E dot what? Get message. For the to seeing the low level error is nothing but our application error. If you want to see our application error, then which method we will take it now, guys? Log dot error message. Error message, where we will use this error method now in the catch block, guys. Okay, in which block now? Come on.
Catch block.
Catch block. Okay, after then what? After whenever our method control is coming out, again because information we have need to give, right? Again we will use what? Log dot info method. Again we will use. Now we will give the some messages now, guys. Someone is doing practical simultaneously, right? I'm getting what? Keyboard noise in session. Mute yourself if you want to do the practical simultaneously. Mute yourself, no need to unmute, right? Okay, about to what? Leave. About to leave saving method. Saving method. Now our method is ready. Now we implemented our what logging activity in this method now, guys. Okay, we implemented Achilles. Okay, we implemented logging activity in our what saving method now, guys. Okay, so now, okay, so just what I'm going to do it now, guys. Okay, leave it. This much file is enough. Okay, so again, what I'm going to do it now, guys. Again, I'm going to run our application now, guys. Okay, again, I'm going to run it our application now, right? Now run the application. Okay, now our application is running now. Come in the folder now, guys. Okay, see, this is what log file, right? Now open this one. One minute. Why? You know, we have need to increase little bit size of file, guys. Okay, we made too much less. Okay, so here, come in that 4 KB na. Just make this one as what 10 KB. Make this one is 10 KB, guys. Okay, 10 KB. Okay, fine. Now stop the application. Now I'm again deleting all those things. Okay, now delete it. Okay, now run the application again. Come in the folder now, guys. Okay, file is generated now. Open it. Info we are getting, right? All info we are getting now. 1 minute. Okay, no issue. Still we are not calling the method, right? We are getting the means our file is generating now, guys. Okay, so next what we are doing now, let's open the Postman. Okay, so in the Postman we are making the request, right? So we are taking the save method, right? Post here, what we are doing now, guys, what we are doing now, slash save. Okay, slash save now. Okay, so here take the JSON. Fine, now this is the data we want to save it. Now we are getting this message means what, our application is running successfully. Product 1 product is saved in the database, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Okay,
Ravi.
now come here, come in the what log file. Okay, open our log file now, guys. Okay, open it. Okay, now good. So info one info, right? So 1 minute, see this, guys. Okay, whenever we are making the request, right, info message na, come on, info message we are getting, right? Come on, observe it, guys. Okay, observe
Yes,
it.
Ravi.
Whenever we are making entered into save method, come on, we are getting in the log file, right?
Yes, Ravi.
And we are getting what, about to leave the saving method. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, means what? Still see this. What is that? Come here. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay, no issue. So come inside that. But what, this message we are getting, right? This message we are getting, but this message we are not getting, guys. We are not getting, right? Come on.
Yes, yeah,
And even but this block is executing successfully, right? This block is executing successfully. Because of that, our control is not entering in this block. So because of that, we are not getting this message in the what, in the property file. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay, but the problem is this method also sorry, this block means what, this message also we need on what, property file. But in the property file, that message is not there. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Why this is not there? At the time of explanation, I said that, right? By default, what is the label of what our method now, guys? Info na. Come on,
Info. Yeah.
info. But what, we are using the debug, we are using the debug, so we have need to set the priority of this method, then we can get this message in the what property file na guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Okay, this is the interview question. How we will change the property, how we will change the what our method priority, how we will change the method priority in Spring Boot, guys. See this is the interview question, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, so for that, what we will do it now, guys. Come here.
We
Come
will update in property file.
Open the application property file. Now come here. Now one more property you have need to write it. What is the property name? Logging
Login dot
logging dot label logging dot label, right? Label, guys. Okay, logging dot label. And after then what you have to do it now, guys. Come here, right? Come here. Okay, so till now RK technology com.rk open this one application runner, where the runner class. 1 minute. This is the runner class now. So what is the package? What is the package of what base package now, guys? This is right.
com.cj.
And just you have to put here that package. Sorry, label com dot rk dot label equal to make this one as what? Debug. Now it's activated now, guys. Now it's activated. Now let's run our application again. Let's run the application again. Run the application again. Okay, so now there is no data, right? There is no data. Again, what we have need to do it now, we have need to make the request. Let's make this request. Oh, no issue. Now one product is saved, right? Come on, one product is saved.
Yes,
One product is saved, right? So now means what? The save method is executed. Come on, guys, save method is executed now.
yes, Ravi.
Okay, now
Yes.
data also is stored in the database, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, now come in the 1 minute. Now open again. What is that property file? Okay, open one more time property file. Okay, now observe this one. In this time debug also came, right? And what is that product data is save one. What is whatever final message we are getting on the what? Postman output, the same things also came inside that what? Property file also inside the property
Ravi.
also came, right? Means what? If what is that entered info method, means what? Our log control is entered in what? Save method. After then what? Successfully that method logic executed. After then what? Our control is coming out from the save method, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so and in the real time, right? In the real time, whenever our application is deployed in what? Production server, we are implementing what? Logging activity in our application, guys. Okay, logging activity in our application. But one more things, guys. Okay, hey Ravikant, you implemented all those things, but still our error block, I want to see the error messages also, right? Our error messages also in our what? Error messages in also in our what? In our what? Property log property file. Okay, no issue, guys. Let's implement find one record, right? Let's implement the same things in the what? In the final sorry, to get one record also. In the at the time of getting one record, we will implement it. Okay, so what I'm doing now, guys, so same things only, right? So here this method, right? Let's copy the same method. Okay, copy this one final now. So here what we will our control will enter inside that final method. Okay, so here enter into a into a get one record. Sorry, getting one record, right? One record method. Fine, we will get this message. After then what? about to leave now. Okay, fine. So here we will take that about to leave. About to leave the one
Yes,
record.
Ravi.
One record method, right? Here just I'm changing now, guys. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so here what we will do in it now again we will take the same where it is. Yeah. Okay, so take this what. Okay, the same things, logging error method, copy the same things. Okay, come here in the response get entity and put the same things inside that what catch block now, guys. Okay, so one record,
Getting one record.
one record, right? RECORD spelling is just a record, guys. What is the spelling? Correct, right?
No, E, last E. No need.
No need, right?
No need.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So this is our method, guys. Okay, so now failure scenario also we will see it. Okay, failure scenario also we will see it, guys, in our application. So let's run one more time the same application now, guys. Okay, here E is there, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's run our application again. Now right click, run Spring Boot application. Okay, fine now. So come here, come in the Postman. Let's make the request, guys. Okay, I'm making the request. One product is saved, guys. Okay, one product is saved. Now refresh it. Okay. Okay, so I want to get this one record, right? I want to get this record, right? So what we will do it now, get, and here what we will do it now, find /1 na. Come on.
Yes,
Now
Ravi.
now make the request. We are getting the final result, right? Come on, guys. We are
Yes,
getting
Ravi.
okay, now
Yes.
come inside that log file. Come inside that log file. Open this log file. Okay. Now in this time debug messages also product data saved means this first the save method is executed, right? Save method is executed. Okay. After then what? See this. Whenever we are making the one record about to leave the okay save method. Okay. Entered into what? Getting one record, right? And about to leave the record. Okay, no issue, we are getting this one, right? Come on, guys, we are getting this message now. Okay, now come here. Okay, come here. Okay, here what I'm going to do it now, guys. I'm making the because two record is not there now. Now send the request means product is not exist, right? We are getting now.
So catch block will be executed.
Now come here. Open this one now. Okay, so here what we are getting now, about to leave one record failure, product 2 not existed. Come on, we are getting the what log messages in log file or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Come on, like this we are observing the log file whenever our application is running in the production file. We are in the production server, we can't having the capability to observe the console, guys. Okay, so every time we are taking the log file and we are seeing that where our method failure is going on, our method is running successfully, anywhere problem is there, and all those things we are observing based on that what log file only. Okay,
Ravi, here log number means 104.
sorry,
Log number. By saying the number, sometimes they say that this is the log.
no, in the SL4J no need the number based on that.
Okay.
What okay, SL4J in Spring Boot, if you are learning Spring framework, if and there you have need to learn what is log4j, then you have need to learn it. Here no need. Okay, whatever till now,
Okay.
whatever things I explained, that much only we have need in the real time also, right? So
Okay.
now these things is cleared about today's session, this one
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Till now it is clear.
clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Like this the things is happen real time, guys. Okay, like this in the real time things is happened. Okay, I know that the people
Yes,
are
Ravi. Really
yes,
good.
really, na, I know that
Yeah,
because
yeah.
yeah.
I appreciate that, Ravi.
yes, Ravi.
Yes, the session was very good, Ravi. Seriously.
Okay, fine now, guys. So it's still so many concept is there, guys. Okay, still our Spring Boot rest is not completed, guys. Okay, so it's still actually whatever I promised I will complete in this week only, but it's extended next week also. I can skip, and if you after ending the right, you guys only losing the things, so I don't want write those things, guys. Okay, so just give one more week. I will complete
No
this.
problem.
I will complete this
Yeah, no problem, Ravi. Please.
Yes.
Spring
We
Boot.
already, spending more than enough than what
And
you
we are observing you have little bit cold
Yes.
also.
Only you are
Yes.
getting like
Okay,
whole
Ravi, no
weekend. That also you
Yeah.
are not even spending with your personal things and family.
Okay, so see this, guys. Okay, so here still how many concepts are left, guys? How many concepts? See, this one I completed. This one I completed. Exception handling also I completed. Swagger also completed. Still, what is that?
Swagger unit.
Sorry, log4j I completed, but still Swagger unit testing and UI integration is left, guys. Okay, these three concepts it will take 1 week again. Okay, so after
Okay,
then
Ravi,
we
no
will
issues.
start what microservices, guys. Let's take 1 more week time in Spring Boot rest, then we will move on what microservices, guys. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay,
That's
Thank you.
fine. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I hope everyone satisfied this content, right?
Yes, very
Yes,
much.
Ravi.
100% Ravi.
Absolutely.
Okay, don't worry. You guys will get the video. Okay, I will upload it. Okay, just I want to join the live session. Okay, because of that I given like that messages, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone will get the video. Don't worry. Okay, guys. So
Yeah,
let's
even the records are there. Live session is good, Ravi. That's why we all.
Okay, guys. So, okay, let's stop the session. We will meet next weekend, guys. Okay, we will meet next
Yes,
weekend.
Ravi. Yeah. Thank you and take care, Ravi.
Okay,
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 Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so
okay,
much.
okay. Bye, bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.